Ananya was a quiet girl who lived in a small town. She was kind, hardworking, and full of dreams. Her biggest dream was to become a teacher one day. But there was one problem. Ananya was not good at English. Whenever her teacher asked her to read in class, she felt nervous. Her hands would shake, her voice would become slow and soft. Some students even laughed at her mistakes. One day, after school, Ananya sat alone in her room. She looked at her English book and said to herself, "I am not weak, I just need practice." From that day, she decided to change. Every morning, she read one page loudly. Every afternoon, she learned 5 new words. Every night, she watched English videos and listened carefully. At first, it was difficult. She made many mistakes. Sometimes she felt tired. Sometimes she wanted to quit. But she remembered her dream. Slowly, something beautiful started to happen. Her pronunciation improved. She understood sentences better. She became more confident. After a few months, her teacher asked her to read a paragraph in class. This time, Ananya stood up bravely. She took a deep breath and started reading. Her voice was clear. Her pronunciation was better. The class was silent. When she finished, her teacher smiled and said, "Very good, Ananya." The whole class clapped. That day, Ananya learned an important lesson. Success does not come in one day. It comes from small efforts every day. Years later, Ananya became an English teacher. She always told her students, "Never be afraid of mistakes. Practice makes you stronger." And she never forgot the day she decided not to give up.
Hi! Please like, share, and subscribe.